Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this infographic design in PowerPoint in just 6 minutes. Plus I will show you step-by-step tutorial. Please make sure to subscribe. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank PowerPoint template, remove everything from it, go to insert and shapes, and we're going to insert this circle. The next thing we have to do is remove this outline, give it a fill of white and give it a shadow, middle shadow, go to format background, change the color to light blue. Then we're gonna go to shapes, and from here let's insert this donut shape, increase its size using shift and arrow key, decrease its width, change its color to white. Then we're gonna insert this shape, increase its size using the arrow keys along with the shift. Then we're gonna make this rounded like this. Make sure that you have put it right here. Now let's change this color to white and give it this middle shadow. We're gonna decrease its transparency, increase the size by 2 units and increase the blur by 6 units. Duplicate this and we're gonna just use the arrow key to make it bigger and send it to the back and adjust it. Then duplicate it again, but this time what you have to do is just change its length from the top corner. Here we go. Now similarly we're gonna duplicate it a few more times, a total of 4 duplicated shapes. The next thing we'll have to do is insert rectangles right here. Here we go. The next thing we'll have to do is just put those rectangles here. Then we're just gonna put our text in this place. This is gonna be our title. The next thing we'll have to do is just insert our title for the numbering. Then let's just change the colors. Then we're just gonna insert our text, go to shape effect and go to the last option, and we're gonna just rotate it like this. The next thing we'll have to do is rotate the text again and again and duplicate it and put it on both sides. Then we're just gonna duplicate it and put it on each of the shape. Now the next thing we'll have to do is just put the shapes, align them, align everything, and group the text box of both sides. The next thing we'll have to do is just insert this arrow and type your text, and we're gonna insert a circle in which we're gonna change its color. Then we're just gonna connect it with the circle. Then let's just put the percentage in it. Then what we're gonna do is just duplicate everything. Then we're just gonna duplicate these shapes and put next to every of these shape. The next thing we have to do is just put our text next to the below part of the starting shape. Then what we're gonna do is just change the color to gray. And we're just gonna insert our text. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe.